In today's tutorial, I will show you how to host a Node.js application on AWS. And we will be using AWS Elastic Beanstalk to upload this Node.js app. And this is what the final result will look like. You'll be able to click on the URL that's generated by Elastic Beanstalk here. And once you click on this link, as you can see here, my Node.js app is currently running. So to start this tutorial, I will go ahead and make a very basic Node.js app. And if you already made a Node.js app, you can skip this step. But I'll just go ahead and make a very basic one for those who haven't. And to start, just open up your terminal, and inside the terminal, run npm init-y, and this would create a very basic package.json file, as you can see here. After this, just create a new file and make sure to name it like server.js. And now we'll paste code for a very basic Node.js app. As you can see here, just feel free to copy it. And for the last thing we need to do is just to install the express package, and we can do that by going to our terminal and type in npm install express and hit enter. And just to test that's working, we can run the command node server.js. And now we should see this message saying example app listing on port 3000. And now if we go back to our browser, we go to the homepage, we just see this message here where it says hello world. And so now on localhost 3000, you can see it's the exact message that we expect. So once we have our Node.js app ready, the next thing we need to do is just to log into our AWS account. And once you're on AWS, just type in Elastic Beanstalk into this search bar, and you should see the service. And just go ahead and click on it. And what you do, you should see like this environments tab. Just go ahead and click on this create new environment button here. And on this page, select web server environment and hit select. And for the application name, you can type in whatever application name you want. I'll just do like Node.js sample app like 3. And scroll down till you see platform. And for platform, just choose Node.js and leave the rest of the options as default settings. And for application code, just select the upload your own code option. And here, make sure it says local file. And one last thing that we need to do before we can upload our Node.js app is to compress all of our files into a single zip file. And we can do that by going to our folder where all of our files are and just selecting all the files, right-clicking, and just click the button that says compress. And what you do, you should see our archive.zip file. And once we've made our zip file, we just go back to the Elastic Beanstalk page and just click on choose file. And here, just go ahead and choose the archive file that we just made. And now we'll upload your file, and it'll let you know once it's successfully been uploaded. And once it has, just click on create application. And once you get on this screen, it's going to take a couple minutes before all of the resources are created. But just go ahead and wait, and I'll resume the video once that's done. And now everything's done loading. And as you can see here, the health is okay. And now if we click on this link that generated for us, you can now see that the Node.js app is currently running. And that is the entire tutorial of how to host a Node.js app using AWS Elastic Beanstalk. And if you found this video or tutorial helpful in any way, I would really appreciate if you'd like the video and subscribe for more content.